Based at the heart of the European Institute of Biorefinery, the AIR cluster's emblematic site, research and development company ARD has made a significant contribution to the development of the plants in the Bazancourt-Pontmarcla biorefinery, as well as the creation of pilot units. ARD is also behind the creation of an academic campus. Nowadays, numerous startups come here to optimize and scale up new processes and develop ever more innovative products. These premises allow us to resolutely commit ourselves to innovative development projects that create new value from crops in the context of a growing bioeconomy. Together, let's visit the site and discover ARD's 5 areas of expertise. The fractionation and purification team can process whole plants as well as agricultural and agro-industrial co-products. Grain, such as wheat, barley and maize, alfalfa and beet pulp are a few examples of the raw materials processed in order to extract fractions or molecules used in biotechnology, chemistry and the food industry. The fractionation and purification team manages and controls all so-called DSP or downstream processing equipment. That is to say, equipment that can extract, separate and purify fermentation broth, for example. Industrial biotechnologies represent a huge field of activity based on exploiting the immense potential of microorganisms, bacteria, yeast, fungus, and the use of enzymes. This, once again, is an area that ARD excels in. Our international reputation is partly linked to our capacity to design efficient and industrializable processes. In this respect, our location at the center of the biorefinery is an undeniable asset, giving us access to various substrates, in particular industrial substrates. Chemistry and biotechnologies work hand in hand at ARD. It's about implementing a sustainable form of chemistry based on Anastas and Warner's famous 12 principles. For example, at ARD we have built up expertise in the field of detergents through the synthesis of bio-based surfactants made from co-products in particular. On these foundations, ARD helped to create a startup called Witoleo, dedicated to the production and marketing of innovative surfactants with a wide range of applications. One of chemistry's benefits lies in the possibility of creating new functions for molecules produced during fermentation with a view to endowing them with specific properties depending on the needs of downstream users. We can, for example, cite the emblematic case of succinic acid and the development of solvents, plasticizers and polyesters that are in the process of being industrialized. The environment is at the heart of our development, and ARD has put together a team that offers a wide range of services to both internal and external customers, whether it be for the evaluation of a product's characteristics, biodegradability, ecotoxicity, methanogenic potential, etc., or for the evaluation of its environmental impact. ARD's engineers and technicians use standardized techniques and even develop bespoke analyses and tests. Developing processes efficiently requires an analysis of what is produced step by step, so we have invested significant analytical resources to achieve this. Beyond this, it is often necessary to develop new methodologies to meet the specific requirements of bio-based compositions, with often complex matrices. When laboratory trials are conclusive, the processes are scaled up to the pilot stage, where the experimentation scale is the ton. To this end, ARD has a 2,000 meters squared experimentation area, boasting a wide range of equipment. ARD has always opted for the flexibility and the mobility of equipment, which enables the testing of original combinations and associations of unit operations with a view to defining the most efficient process line. BioDemo is the industrial demonstrator that completes the setup. Located right next to our laboratories, it is the final part of a coherent research and innovation center that includes the industrialization phase. ARD is almost the only company in the world to offer this breadth of service. The demonstration unit allows project owners to de-risk their process and to launch the first production batches while limiting the inherent risks of any launch phase. In short, enables them to get beyond what, in the field of innovation, is often called the valley of death. The size of the equipment, a 180 meter cubed fermenter for example, really makes it possible to work on an industrial scale. It is now the European Commission's clearly expressed policy to see as many projects as possible get past the demonstration phase. The technological maturity of an innovation is increasingly measured using the so-called TRL scale, or Technology Readiness Level, made up of 9 levels, with Level 1 being the idea stage and Level 9 being the commercial stage. Applied to ARD, and including relationships with academic research teams, engineering schools and universities that have opened on the same site as the biorefinery, this whole scale is covered. Whatever the contractual context, a partnership or a provision of services, the expertise of our some 100 employees and our past and future investments will help your innovation processes reach industrial stage more quickly and optimize their costs. Together, let's contribute to the development of the bioeconomy.